Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore broken structured data in schema.org JSON-LD, full guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific structured data that is broken. Use Google's structured data testing tool to analyze your current JSON-LD implementation. Once you have the report, take note of any errors or warnings it displays. Open the source code of your web page where the structured data is implemented. Locate the JSON-LD script within your HTML. Examine the structured data to understand its current configuration. Check for common issues like missing required properties or incorrect data types. Refer to the schema.org documentation for the specific type of structured data you are using. Ensure that all necessary properties are included in your JSON-LD markup. Correct any syntax errors, such as missing commas or mismatched brackets. Once you've made your changes, save the updated code. Re-upload the revised HTML file to your web server if necessary. Return to Google's structured data testing tool to retest your modified JSON-LD. Review the results to confirm that all previous errors have been resolved. If errors persist, revisit your code and consult the schema.org guidelines again. After confirming that your structured data is functioning correctly, implement any additional enhancements. Submit your updated page to Google using the Search Console for re-evaluation. Regularly monitor your structured data to ensure ongoing compliance and accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.